What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Beats, man, back with a POV, as y'all can see. Hey, man, I know it's been a long time coming. I ain't gonna say a long time coming. What am I talking about? It's been a long time since I done seen y'all boys, and y'all boys done seen me. I apologize, man, you know what I'm saying? Life be lifing. Boy gotta get on that grind sometime, you know what I'm saying? So we can keep afloat, you feel me? But hey, we back at it like a crack addict, you know what I'm saying? On a cloudy day, you know what I'm saying, with the SRT light on, you feel me? A little street mode, nothing too crazy. And we ain't got no gas, cuz. As you can see, we ain't got no gas, brother. And we trying to get, oh, goodness. That was a little jumpy on that one. Nigga driving a scooter in the middle of the road with no tag, with a book bag on. With a Drake and Josh haircut. That nigga look like a terrorist. But yeah, man, been a long time, y'all boy. How y'all boy been? You know, the wine's still there, you know. You know what I'm saying? Scarlett's still there, you know. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, you feel me? Stick 'em. Man, something slight but a little polite, glad. I hope y'all can hear the wine, bro. I feel like y'all can hear it for real. Do I need to let the sunroof back? Do we need like all, you feel me? Do we need to let's go ahead and do that, bro. Yeah, come on, man. Some good lighting. Oh, we got traffic, brother. Which hand y'all would rather me drive with, bro? My right or my left? My boy, comment down below. Ooh. Did that wine sound different to y'all, boy? Y'all ain't heard it in a minute, now. Ooh. Hey, man, say, man. You know what we on. I'm talking to you. Hold on. Ooh, the police. Help, the police. No wonder they driving slow. I knew it, man. Damn. Got to be more careful. Glad my car ain't done loud, boy. What way he going? Oh, he turning. Oh, he turning off. I gotta drive by. I gotta add normal. Add normal, little nigga. Add normal, little nigga. Add normal, little nigga. Don't crack a smile, little nigga. We out of there, y'all. We made it. That nigga made it. Damn. I still passed where I'm supposed to be going, so I gotta make a U-turn anyway. But I'm trying to waste gas. I gotta waste this quarter of gas out. Oh, they're gonna rain. Close the sunroof. Oh. Gotta close the roof, man. Look at this. Oh, but he raindrop. Hold on, boy. That boy hit my arm. That boy hurt. Heavy raindrop. Yeah, man, I ain't had this on. I mean, I like that white, though. Y'all can't tell me that white ain't hard. Hold on. Y'all can't tell me that white ain't hard. Ooh. Come on, man. Y'all can't tell me that white ain't hard, bro. Anyway, the rain done ruin the video, bro, but it's alright. It's alright, cuz. And the rain ain't gonna even last long. That was gonna be so crazy, bro. It be raining for like 20 minutes. And then stop. You just made the ground wet for no reason. But, I mean, you know, it's life, I guess. Ain't nobody tripping. Can't do nothing about it, man. But hopefully it don't stick too hard or just, you know, be like that. But they just sleep. They still ain't move. Dang, man. I want to do a little pull for y'all, boy. No, I don't care, though. Yes, sir. Oh, the police. Help. The police. He's out of his jurisdiction, buddy. Where are you going? But yeah, man. I'm finna wait on my partner. I see that nigga right there with them colorful lights on the front of his car. That crazy. Yeah, man. I might get my boy reaction to Scarlet, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't doing nothing too. You know what I'm saying? Just wanted to get a reaction. Him riding in the car. Y'all ain't never seen him ride in the car before. He gonna ride in the whip with me. I gotta get some gas first though. But y'all, I get back with y'all if the rain don't stick. You feel me? If the rain don't stick, then we can just what you call it? You know what I'm saying? Give y'all a little video. There you go, right there. I already know what this is, man. Nigga gonna be on that channel so many times. Oh, you're right. Look at this nigga, man. Look at all he want to play. What you driving so fast for? What's wrong with this nigga, man? All that nigga want to do is listen to music all day. That bit clean though. Ugly. We got a Hellcat. Yeah, man.